Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Goodboy GBS and today, ano ba yung teamwork namin ng aking kapatid? Level 1 grassland. I'm the blue and he is the sun. Ngayon, you piece of... I like this. Eh. Okay, wait. Ikaw muna. Ikaw. Okay, sabi ko nga, go. Wait, ako muna. Ako muna. There you go. Go. Yon. Ano na ako? Yun. There you go. Okay. Easy. No. Jump. Okay. Oh, okay. Gets. Ikaw yung magpalawlaw. Magpalawlaw ka. There you go. Yon. What is this? Oh, nice. What? Just... There you go. 4. Okay then. Okay. Be careful. Okay. Yeah! Yun yung okay. Bakit tayo nakatali? Come on. Easy. Is this? No! I can't go. Yun. Finally. Hindi ako makapasok. Pasok. Ang laki ng pet ko. Yun. You piece of food. Yun. Okay. What if I jump? No! How? I ate this! No! Jump. I am lagging like crazy. What's wrong? Yan. There you go. Easy. What's this? What? 1 to 10. Oh, coins. Wow. I can't jump. Hiya. We can jump. We can jump. Oh! So that is the passcode, okay, gets. We need to get everything before we continue. There you go. Nice. Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and see you guys to the next video. Peace!